I'm Anushka.
I'm Marie Cabrera.
Okay, I'm Anushka Theodotis. We are gonna go walk the halls and prank people by sneezing on them. Oh my god!
What gives you hope?
Oh my god! Oh my god! I'm so sorry, Justin. Oh
You're
my
so
God.
nasty.
Chew. I am so sorry. Chew. Oh my gosh.
Are you serious?
Serious?
Yes, I'm kidding.
Oh, jeez. This is an April Fool's joke. Oh my god.
Oh my god, I'm so sorry.
Did you sneeze on him?
I'm so sorry.
Did you sneeze on him?
I'm so sorry.
Ew!
I'm so sorry.
It's okay. They sneezed on me. That was the worst interview that I've ever had.
Ew!
Oh shit, I'm so sorry.
Marie, why are you sneezing on people?
I'm
disgusting. What? Did your mom not teach you how to sneeze? Oh my god, did you sneeze?
I'm so sorry.
She sneezed on you.
Is the water bottle.
Damn it.
I'm 108. I know stuff like this. I really do. This is how people learn not to do it again.
Whoa. Whoa. Anushka, all over me.
Oh my god,
It's right all over my back and it's like wet.
I am so sorry.
Alright guys, so what you learned from this is to don't forget your flu shot.
And cover your mouth when you sneeze, you nasty.
Yeah, so Mary